Shut up!
Here, this should make you feel better.
Thanks, I feel like crap.
Yeah, so how did you get sick anyway?
I don't know. Well, the other day I was eating this donut, and then my mom called. So I picked it up like, I don't know, 4 minutes later, and then I ate it. I just don't understand how it got me sick, though. I mean, it was well within the boundaries of the 5-minute rule.
No, it's the 5-second rule.
No, it's the 5-minute rule. I looked it up on Wikipedia. What happened to your face?
Oh, this? Don't worry about it, it's nothing.
But I told you what I wished for on my birthday.
Fine. So, I was playing with your cat. Then, out of nowhere, he attacks my face. And then he just went crazy on me.
When did that happen?
I don't know, like 10 minutes ago.
10 minutes ago?
Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't hear me out here.
In that pot right there?
Yeah.
In this same soup that you gave me?
Yeah, I don't really see what the problem... Oh! What?
I actually feel better now.
Awesome! That means we can still go see Disney on Ice!
What?
I said that means we can still go see Disney on Ice?
Oh! I thought you asked if I still like steamed rice.
What?
Of course I like steamed rice. David. The cat's right behind you!